Alright, what is up everybody? It's your boy John, your man 22 here. Welcome back to another video. So, this is Harvest 2022 and it's day 4. So yeah, my grandpa and his brother are right down there right now. They're gonna dump on the go. Some exciting shit. I'll tell you that much. We had to mark the boundary this morning because the freaking flag was gone. And the flag that we had went through the fucking combine. And the combine ate the son of a bitch and puffed it out the damn back like a freaking rocket. I'm surprised it didn't break anything. I would drive down there probably about halfway and get the dumping on the go action, but yeah. Yeah. So the 7820, that's sitting right over there. Yeah, and also you guys, got a new keychain for the Gator. And we got a John Deere key on it too. Whoa! Some exciting crap. You know what? I'm gonna drive down there. My phone's about dead, so I don't really have very long to record this. So I'm gonna scoot my butt over and watch the dumping on the go action. Because there's gonna be some exciting shit right here. So yeah, yeah, you guys just can't see it. It ain't really worth a piss to try and see it anyway because you can't see shit anyway. Because they're way down there. Hold on here, you guys. I'll flip you guys around so that you guys can get to see some of that. Well, I hope you guys like that. That's some exciting shit to see around here. You don't see too much of that around here. Tractors and wagons hauling grain away from a combine. Usually you see like a combine, grain cart, and tractor, and then semi or two hauling the grain away from a combine. But my grandpa likes the way it is. Just loathes it. See, there he goes again, the old combine. Yeah, there goes my grandpa. There's his brother still hacking away at the acres. So yeah, nice combine, I tell ya. But anyway, I think this is it. This video. So yeah, I mean, it is rough riding out here. So I'm gonna head home, and then of course plug my phone in on the charger. And here we go! Yeah. There we go. That's it for today. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.